What if the internet you use every day isn't real anymore? What if the photos you like, the videos you watch, even the people you follow are just digital ghosts, created not by humans, but by algorithms? AI isn't just helping us make things faster, it's replacing the people who made the internet human. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. From fake influencers to endless AI news feeds, we're living in an internet built by machines for machines. So, in this video, we're diving into the rise of AI content, how it's changing creativity, truth, and even what it means to be real. Stay till the end, because the truth will surprise you. Now tell me, do you think AI is helping us create, or just making us lazy?
It started small, like a fun experiment. AI writing poetry, generating memes, or painting dreamy landscapes. We thought it was cute, a robot that could imagine. Then things got serious. Suddenly, AI could write news articles, code websites, even make movies. In 2023 alone, over 15 billion AI images were generated. That's more than the total number of photos ever taken in the 1800s. What started as a tool for creativity has become a factory of endless automated content. And that factory never sleeps. Then came the flood, what people now call AI slop. Low-quality, emotionless junk flooding the internet 24/7. Fake reviews, meaningless quotes, clickbait articles, all pumped out by machines. You might scroll past it every day without realizing it. That inspirational TikTok voice? AI. That travel photo with perfect lighting? AI. That viral tweet? Also AI. It's not creativity anymore, it's noise. And it's spreading faster than we can handle. Remember when the internet felt human? You could feel the story behind a post, someone's emotion, humor, or pain. AI content looks perfect, but it feels empty. It doesn't laugh, cry, or care. And that's the scary part. The web is starting to sound the same. No personality, no mistakes, no heart. We're losing the messy, beautiful chaos that made the internet alive. Let's test it. Which of these faces is real? Chances are, you'll get it wrong. AI can now create humans that don't exist. It can mimic voices, clone writers, and generate realistic fake news. If everything can be faked, what happens to truth? We used to say, seeing is believing. Now it's seeing is doubting. You might wonder, why don't platforms stop this? Because they make money from it. Every click, every scroll, every second you spend on AI content means profit. It's cheap to make and addictive to watch. Real creators struggle to be seen, while machine-made posts dominate. The internet became a business of attention, not truth. AI can now create entire fake influencers, people with names, stories, and millions of followers. But they don't exist. Brands pay them, fans adore them, and no one questions it. We're entering an era where reality is optional. When fake becomes profitable, truth becomes irrelevant. Now imagine this: thousands of fake articles, AI-written news, and deepfake videos spreading daily. People believe them, share them, build opinions around lies. Misinformation has never been easier or faster. And if we can't tell what's true, how do we make good decisions? We're not just losing originality, we're losing reality. Here's the sad truth. The internet is supposed to celebrate creativity, but AI might be killing it.
Artists see their styles copied, writers get replaced by bots. Even music now has AI singers. So what's left for humans? Creativity used to mean expression. Now it's just data. But hey, it's not all bad. AI can help us too. It can inspire, assist, and expand creativity. Filmmakers use it for editing. Writers use it for brainstorming. Scientists use it to predict climate patterns. AI isn't the enemy. Our laziness is. If we use it as a tool, not a replacement, we can make the internet better. So, how can we keep the internet human? Simple. Create with intention. When you post something, ask yourself, did this come from me or from an algorithm? Follow creators who make real things. Comment. Discuss. Question. The more human we act online, the more meaning the web keeps. The future isn't written yet. AI can either make the internet a creative paradise or a digital wasteland. It depends on us. We choose what we consume. We choose what we create. The machines are learning from us, so what do you want to teach them? Maybe this is the biggest question of our time. If a machine can create everything humans can, then what makes us special? Maybe it's emotion. Maybe it's imperfection. Or maybe it's the fact that we care enough to ask this question at all. Because curiosity, that's something no AI can fake. To every creator out there, your voice still matters. People don't follow perfection. They follow connection. Even in a world full of AI, real stories stand out. Keep creating. Keep showing your flaws, because that's what makes your work truly human. So, is AI ruining the internet? Maybe, but it doesn't have to. If we use it wisely, we can rebuild a web that's creative, curious, and real. The internet was made by humans. Let's keep it that way. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives like this, and tell me in the comments, do you think AI will save creativity or destroy it? Let's talk about it.